Hello everyone, welcome back to Key to Blogging, and today we are going to see how we can add a scrollable link like this to your Blogger website. So as you can see, this section is sticky. So if I scroll down, then the same section is sticky and user can jump between pages. And if I switch to mobile view, then user can easily scroll between these links like this. So you can add a sticky scrollable links like this to your Blogger website pretty easily. So let's check how you can do that. And before that, I recommend you to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more updates like this. So first of all, let's go to the Blogger dashboard, and here go to theme and just click on edit HTML. Now you can scroll down to the end of this code and find the closing body tag. And I have added the code like this. So as you can see, this is the code, sticky footer menu, and here you can edit the link. So first one is home page, and then we have categories. So you can add your categories. Let's say I want to add blogger category here, then I can name it and I can just copy my blogger category. So let's say, let me copy the blogging category here. So I will go to blogging and I will copy the blogging link and I will replace it here. And I will change it to blogging. Similarly, you can replace your about us page link, contact page link, privacy policy page link like this. And if you want to add more links, then you can just simply copy it and you can duplicate it like this. Or if you want to delete some of the links, then you can just select the list item and delete it like this. So it is pretty easy to manage your links like this. And here you can see the CSS code and we have the JavaScript code for the scrollable mouse drag options. So let me hit save. Now let me go to the website and let's go to home page. And as you can see, now the category is now removed to switch to blogging. And if I click on blogging, then it will go to the blogging category page like this. So let's go to home page here. So here there is one issue that it is covering the footer section. So for this you need to make some changes to your footer section as well, so that it will not cover the existing footer links. So for this, what I can do is I will right click on it and click on inspect. Just scroll down and here let me select the whole footer element here. And here you can see footer wrapper. Just click on that, the parent footer element. So you can see less than footer ID. And here what I can do is I will add a padding bottom. So I will simply type padding dash bottom. And let's say I will add a bottom padding of 60 pixel. Now if I scroll down, you will see the links like this. Now if I close it here, you can see the links like this. But earlier, if you don't add the padding, then the section will not be accessible. So it will depend on the layout of your website. So make sure to set the adjustment here. So you can add a bottom padding value according to your website layout. Let me inspect it here, and in mobile and desktop, it is looking quite good. And you can also set the footer wrapper and you can adjust it. Let's say I want to add 65 pixel, then I can also do that. And I will simply copy this and let's go to the theme code and let me search for my CSS code. So let me hit enter and here it is, footer wrapper. And what I can do is I will add semicolon and I will add the same code, padding bottom equal to 65 pixel. So let me add it and let's hit save. And here it is. Now your sticky footer section is added and user can easily switch between pages. So it is a must-have feature you should implement on your Blogger website. And let me know if you face any issue during implementation of the sticky footer menu. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And I will provide the code link in the description. Just download it and use it on your Blogger website. Thank you.